The world is getting smarter and smarter, and IoT is leading the way. From smart cities to industrial automation, things connected internet are shaping the future. But here is the real question. Are you ready to be a part of it? Many IoT courses focus on theory, but the industry needs problem solvers, professionals who can design, build, and implement real-world solutions. That is the gap, and we are here to bridge that gap. Introducing Huebits, where education meets industry, learning fuels innovation, and talent transforms into impact. At Huebits Industry-Ready IoT Program, we don't just teach IoT, we make you industry-equipped. Hands-on session where you work with real IoT devices, sensors, and cloud platforms. Industry-aligned curriculum to learn exactly what top companies are demanding. Solve real-world challenges. And Huebits provides guaranteed internships with necessary placement support. Step into the industry with confidence. IoT is not the future. It is the present. 85% of companies are already adopting IoT, and the demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. This is the golden chance to stay ahead of the curve. The IoT revolution is happening now. Join Huebits Industry-Ready IoT Program today and build the future with us.